What is going on, everybody? Today we're doing something a little different. You know, I'm the king of finding deals. We are checking out this mask just in time for summer. I got this actually on TEMU for under $10. They also have it on TikTok shop, I think for under 20. It looks really cool. I will say it's a little small for my face, just by looking at it so far, but it looks good. We're gonna try it out. It's a beautiful day here in Florida. The water looks great, even though there's a storm out there coming. It's got a GoPro mount on the top. It comes in a great package and a great case. So we're just gonna go out there and test it out. I got the GoPro, so we're gonna go see what it looks like, and yeah, give a good review. I got the strap, so we're good to go. So it's a really awesome day here. If you haven't checked out my other videos, I do a bunch of snorkeling videos, actually off the beach and stuff in South Florida, so I'll put the link up. Check those videos out. Got my mask on. Fits really good, actually. It's really clear. I don't like that I can't see out the sides, but some people prefer this style. I like the ones that have the glass on the side, but it's so cheap. All right, about to go. Wow, it's really good. Ooh. So far, so good. All right, so I just got out of the water, testing out this mask. It was actually really good. The seal was really good. The water wasn't very clear right here, but I could see really well out of the mask. And so, yeah, I think this is a great deal for the price, especially if you need to get a couple for the kids or something. So check it out. I'll put the links below. Later.